Hello ladies and gentlemen, it's boy Sam from Art of Trading here, and today we'll be talking about AMC. Now, look at the graph. This stock looks absolutely fantastic. Congratulations to anyone who got in at the lower mark of AMC. We all knew that this was going to fly up at some point. I mean, this is a stock that I haven't covered really, and it's one that I should have covered, but I've been sort of focused on other stocks, like NAKD and stuff. But, AMC is definitely a stock which I should be covering more, and I am going to in the future. Now, what we have seen recently with AMC is we have seen a very, very nice, we saw a couple boom candlesticks back to back to back to back. And that basically stemmed from the amount of naked shorting that was happening within AMC. It was like that with a lot of the other meme stocks, but AMC was one of the heaviest, especially because AMC also has the volume to back up that notion. So today, even today at the $50 mark, AMC has seen volume already of 90 million, and we have currently only seen three to 4 hours of trading. We're only about halfway through trading, and we have seen almost 100 million worth of volume, which is absolutely crazy, and that is why AMC is able to consolidate at such a high price. Now, you may be wondering, Sam, where do you think this is going to go in the future? And let me explain. AMC, although fundamentally it's not amazing, it has got that high potential, especially if it gets that Russell 1000. If it gets in that fund, it is going to really excel the stock in general, and it will see new heights again, which would be absolutely fantastic. And, the amount of volume as well that we would see would just be absolutely crazy, because a lot of people do actually, buy into those funds as well. Now, looking at sort of where AMC consolidates that around the $50 mark, you may be wondering, has this squeezed yet? Has AMC squeezed yet? And the answer to that is no. AMC is nowhere near squeeze or squoze, right? AMC currently, it saw like a nice straight up to about $72. I think it did reach heights around $76 if I'm not mistaken. But we'll say $72, and then it came back down. We saw it come back down to 43, and then it came back up and consolidated around the $54 mark. So what happened here? So what this was is it was a gamma squeeze, and the fact that the amount of retail investors, the demand was so high for AMC, and also the hedge funders are, they're in a sticky situation with it because they don't have enough to be able to keep pounding this stock down. They don't have enough naked shorts to keep pounding the stock down. So they are now in a very, very sticky situation, especially as well with the NSCC 002 filing, where they now have to report on their options liquidity. So they're in a very, very sticky situation. And I believe AMC is very, very near to that short squeeze that we have all been waiting for. Now, looking also at the exponential moving average, again, AMC is in a very, very bullish trend at the moment. I mean, we have stayed in this upper two brackets of the exponential moving average, which is where you want to be. The BOLL is currently in the overbought section, which is, again, where you want to be. Sorry, camera focus. There we go. So, we have stayed within this upper bracket of the overbuying, which is exactly where we want to be. Looking at the RSI as well, that sort of backs it up as well. You see it around the 60, like around the 16 and 50 mark. It's where you sort of want to be to see some, nice bullish action on AMC. And to be honest, the longer this goes, the longer we can stay up here, the more likely we are to really squeeze hard. And, when that happens, it could honestly go to new heights, especially now we have seen it consolidate at $54. There is not really a ceiling for AMC, in my opinion. AMC can go as far as the retail investors, us fellow apes, want it to go. And I do have stocks with shares within AMC, not as many, but I would like to have more. But that I wasn't in that good a financial situation back then, so it is what it is. I mean, things happen. But AMC right now, a very, very good potential. And to be honest, if you buy sort of around now, I still think that this is an alright entry point in honesty, because I can see AMC potentially hitting $200 to $500. And looking at the MACD, AMC is actually very, very bullish. I mean, this is looking at a 1-day graph, so it does look like a lot better. And, you know, even today, right, you sort of see like we have been a little bit oversold. But today, I think we have been slightly pounded by naked shorts. A lot of the quote unquote meme stocks have been down currently. You know, you got NAKD currently down. You have CTRM also down. You have SNDL also down. And GameStop's the only one that's actually managed to just stay up, but even that is starting to come back down again. So today has just been a rough day in general. But, you know, with the Nasdaq and the Dow recovering from the start of the market, we should see a very, very nice day of trading and potentially week of trading as well. But anything that I've said during this video is not financial advice. I wanted to give you all my take on AMC's current situation and where I think it could go in the future. So yeah, that is all from me today, everyone. I hope you all enjoyed this video. If you have, please remember to hit that like button and subscribe if you're new. It really helps the channel out. Without further ado, take care, everyone. In a bit.